Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can chat with YouTube support to tell all of your problems to them. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to open the dashboard of your channel. Here I'm going to open the dashboard again. So you have to type on the address bar on your browser, studio.youtube.com, and then log in with your channel's email address and password. Then you will see an interface like this. Then you may see a message icon on the top, chat with creator support. Make sure that this icon is visible. Some of the channels will not show this kind of icon since you don't have any AdSense account. Make sure that you have at least a single channel that have monetization. If you have a single channel including monetization, then you will see an icon like this chat icon. Actually, YouTube provides only live chat support for those creators who got monetization. Since I got monetization on my different channels, so I have gotten this icon. So click on it. And here you will see some options about monetizing my content or channel, YouTube policies, copyright issues, or something else. So clicking on this something else, and just a second, it will take some time until they will connect you to a human to chat with. Here you can see that I can see I'm on the 5th in the line. I mean, I have to wait a few minutes to get connected with YouTube help, and after that I can chat with them with my issues to solve the problem. So now I'm gonna quit it since I don't need to chat with them right now. So clicking on this leave the queue, and that's it. So now you know how to chat with YouTube support to solve any problem. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.